On this St. Patrick's Day, joining me now is Todd, Bubba Horwitz to talk about what's going on in the market today, and happy St. Patrick's Day to you.
Good morning and happy St. Patrick's Day to you.
Glad to have you on the show today. Let's talk about that Fed move yesterday.
There was indications if you watch the gold market that they might raise rates. However, the equity market is saying that they weren't going to raise rates, so everybody kind of got in the middle, and it was really, the statement was not going to be great, and that's, I think, more the issue. But there's not much going on, and this is a whole mix of what we're waiting for, because we're all really waiting on the Fed. Now it'll be on to the next meeting.
Let's move on and talk about what you expect from the market today. It sometimes takes a couple of days for the market to digest news, but what about this time around?
You know, it's a very tough day to really gauge yet, because I think that the markets are not going to like what they said. I think they pumped in going into this. However, tomorrow's triple witching expiration, and typically the triple witching expiration has usually been a little bit more positive to the market. So we're in a real flux here as to which way we're going to go from here. I think that the markets have probably reached their pinnacle for the time being. I would look for a little bit of a sell-off. Now, nothing major. I'm not looking for collapse. I think that we're going to see some pullback. But this triple witching expiration could keep us up.
Yesterday you talked about Valiant, and even though it was down when we spoke, it went down even more. Where's the floor on this stock? Does it have a floor?
You know, it's interesting. It may not have a floor, but I have to assume that Bill Ackman did a little bit better due diligence than not knowing anything. And where we are, I did actually take a position in it yesterday, and I did put on, I mean, I'm a neutral, but I can benefit from either way. But overall, I think at some point you're going to see a pretty dramatic bounce. I mean, it tried yesterday. It had some very big rallies intraday, only to be selling off.
Well, as traders like to say, when these big-time investors like Bill Ackman get involved, sometimes they put a put into the stock. So maybe that will happen, Bob.
We hope so, but it, you know, you can go either way for me, but I would think he might have done a little bit better due diligence, because this is only down 85% from its all-time high.
Oh, that's a move. Good to have you on the show. Thank you.
Great to be here.